Lawyers for the family of the 12-year-old girl killed when her house
Would you get into a car with a stranger accused of beating a teenager, stalking a woman, and taking anger management?
The question we all have to ask ourselves is, how much safety are we willing to give up for the convenience of getting in a car and going where we want to go? To be an actual conviction for a violent crime in the last 7 years. She would not have had to have been beaten and raped.
That they check these drivers to the greatest extent allowed by state law.
Lawyers for the family of the 12-year-old girl killed when her house exploded.
So when you add up all those factors, you're going to have a long, protracted battle. This is just the first skirmish of many, many fights, I predict, going forward in this litigation. And in a civil case, you can't force anyone to go to prison or to jail. The worst that can happen is someone can be required to pay monetary damages.
Intoxication manslaughter, he is currently serving probation.
Is the drunk really the best person to decide when the drunk has had enough alcohol? Is the drunk really the best person to decide whether the drunk should be behind the wheel of the car? They are not bound, the NFL, by a beyond a reasonable doubt criminal standard. So in theory, he could have gone to trial in the criminal case and been acquitted under the beyond a reasonable doubt standard. They were his second family. He could have called in sick